Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to connect Gusto payrolls with Lendio. Now, if you use Gusto as your payroll provider, Lendio offers direct integration, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get that done. First thing you want to do is to log into your Lendio account, and then from the dashboard, just go to settings and then to integrations. There you want to find Gusto payrolls in the list of available integrations, and then click connect Gusto. You're going to be directed to Gusto's login page, so you just need to enter your Gusto credentials. Then authorize Lendio to access payroll data, that's employee information, payroll runs, benefits, and tax withholdings. Just authorize Lendio, and once connected, Gusto will synchronize automatically with Lendio. You can go ahead and confirm data flow by checking the payroll reports section in your Lendio dashboard. You synchronize payroll data for loan applications, cash flow tracking, as well as tax preparations and quarterly reports. If synchronization fails, you want to check that your Gusto admin permissions are active, because Lendio requires admin level access to integrate properly. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.